Over the past several months, there's been a resurgence in the mortgage industry. Refinancing changes in requirements and shifts in the scores required to qualify all have come about. We're visiting today with Jesse Strope of Alliance Mortgage about the changes in the industry and what people can expect to find. First, Jesse, tell us a little bit about Alliance and what your company specializes in.
Alliance Mortgage Capital is a great place to start with the loan process. As mortgage bankers, we're able to keep the entire loan process in-house, giving us a competitive edge and making things a lot easier and less stressful for the borrowers and the real estate agents.
And what sets you apart from the other companies that are already established in the Valley?
Just our whole team of back office. We have the underwriters there. We really have an idea of what the realtors are needing along with the borrowers to get these loans done.
Okay. As I look to refinancing properties, commercial properties or residential properties, you can handle both of those areas, can't you?
Yeah, we can handle pretty much anything that comes to the table for us.
And what should I do to be prepared when I come into your office?
Really just have an understanding of where you want to go. The first thing really, you need to look into financing to see what you are qualified to finance. And then once we get you a pre-approval, the realtors really feel comfortable taking you around and showing you the properties that you're interested in.
Now, is that a big change in the industry that you've seen? How has the real estate market reacted to some of the changes in the mortgage companies?
I think it's reacted, and overall there's always a lot of things going on, but overall there's a positive reaction. A lot of people are understanding there's a lot of deals out there, and they're coming in and getting financed. They're curious about what their payments could be, and so they just take the initial step, and that's the important thing.
So are we seeing a big jump in interest rates this year at all?
Rates are still at historic lows. I talk to people all the time that knew that rates were 20%. So anything, even if it's a 5% or it creeps up a little bit more, it's still an amazing time to get into owning a home.
Now, when I come in for documentation, do I need to bring my FICO scores and all of those other?
We take care of all that. The main thing that you really need to get together is W-2s, paycheck stubs. We'll pull your credit and go over things from there and really point you in the right direction.
Is it more difficult now to get a loan than it ever has been? We've seen the tightening in the market. Banks are holding on to their money.
I think a lot of things out there are really pushing people aside and keeping them on the fence, but I think it's so cut and dry. It's fairly easy to get into a home loan.
Okay.
It's definitely not as difficult as people make it out to be.
And any difficulty as far as credit? Is your credit score got to still be really, really high?
It depends on the bank. Right now we can finance anywhere between 640 and up. We have some opportunities with Idaho Housing to go lower. The bigger banks are looking for the higher credit models, but it's shutting a lot of people out. So a lot of people are coming to our door because we can entertain all those different credit scores.
Perfect. Thanks for being with us today, Jesse. Where can they find out more information about Alliance?
Go to www.idahofhaloans.com or idahomortgageweekly.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Coming up later.